Focus on your breathing by taking deep, cleansing breaths in and out, in and out. With every breath, you relax a little more. The muscles in your face relax. Your neck and shoulders relax. You feel all the stress draining away, all your cares draining away harmlessly into the ground. Your arms relax. Your torso and upper back relax. Your hips and lower back and buttocks relax. All of the cares of the day draining away harmlessly. The muscles in your thighs relax. Your knees relax. Your lower legs relax. Everything, all the cares draining away. Finally, your ankles and feet relax. You are now open and ready for magic. Imagine yourself outside in a meadow at night. The air is warm around you. You can hear little animals scurrying in the distance. You feel the light dew on the grass beneath your feet. The sky is brilliant. The stars are twinkling. You look toward the moon, and you see just the tiniest sliver of a new moon in the sky. You open yourself to the moon, and you hear her say, "I am the new moon. Look to me for new beginnings, inspiration, and drive and passion to bring those projects to bear fruit. Look to me when you need that inspiration in your life." You look down and you say a thank you to the new moon. Your gaze turns back up toward the moon, and you see it progress until it becomes the first quarter moon, that waxing moon. You look to the waxing moon and you hear her say, "I am the waxing moon. I am the law of attraction. Look to me when you need courage to bring things into your life, to bring creativity and come up with new ideas and projects. Look to me when you need to bring things to you, the law of attraction." You say a silent thank you to the waxing moon. And then you notice that the moon becomes brighter in the sky until a beautiful, full moon is there for you to gaze at. You hear the full moon speak to you, and she says, "I am the full moon. I am the light of wisdom. Look to me to perform your most powerful spells, to address love, sexuality, and to do divination and spirit work. Look to me when you need your wishes to come true." You thank the full moon. And then you notice the light starting to dim in the sky until you're at that third quarter moon, the waning moon. And you hear the waning moon say, I am the waning moon. I am the law of binding and banishing. Rid yourself of things that no longer serve you and people who seek to do harm to you. Look to me to help solve your problems. When you need to banish something from your life, look to me. You say thank you to the waning moon. And then you see the moon become even dimmer until there's no light in the sky at all where the moon once was. This is the dark moon. You hear the dark moon call to you, and you hear her say, I am the dark moon. This is a time for introspection and self-work. Look to me to help guide you when you want to tackle issues concerning your innermost desires and problems. I will help you take a deep look at yourself. You thank the dark moon. You thank the Moon Mother for all the insight she has given you. Now, slowly, very gently, start coming back to your normal senses. And whenever you are ready, open your eyes.